Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, obviously not makeup or anything else. Feeling a bit lousy today. Sorry, guys. This is real life. Okay, we have got tonal charts. So quite often when we are playing or trying something new, we tend to stick in that mid-tone range where everything is kind of safe. Nothing jumps out and shouts at us. But that doesn't make for an interesting composition. So, and also sometimes you can think, gosh, I've gone really dark on this tonal piece. I don't understand why this isn't speaking to me as a painting. This is where these charts come in handy. So create them by creating 9 squares. Start with white at number 1 and as black as you can get it at number 9 with a gradation in between. I have one in paint and one in pencil as well because it has a different sort of texture to pencil. So I like to see what pencils as well create the lights going from a 2H up to an 8B. So I know roughly where my range is. So when you have a picture that, say, for example, this one was, I thought I'd gone really dark down here and it was all good. But I looked at my tonal chart and realized actually I was playing in the midtones and I needed a little pop of dark there just to bring a bit of contrast and life to the painting. Same as this little wave study, which we've been doing for the Academy. We've been studying water. So we've been looking at wave formations and how you create that movement, but you need to create that tonal range in there too. So again, I needed to make sure I was playing in those darks as well as the lights. This one was quite dark and I needed to add some lights in it. So have those charts, tonal charts handy. They're great for color as well. You can squint and see where your tonal values are. I've gone over 2 minutes already. Again, darn it. Subscribe, like, come join us in the Academy. You can join anytime. You're under no obligation to stay, come and go. But I'll tell you one thing, once you head over there, you're likely to stick around for a while. See you soon. Bye.